Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you iPhone running slow or battery draining. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you feel like your iPhone battery drains for no clear reason and sometimes the phone lags or the internet suddenly drops, let me tell you that there's an important place in the settings that most people have never opened, and it shows you who's running in the background and who's accessing the camera, the mic, or connecting to the servers. And most people have never checked it. So what you need to do is, first thing, open settings. Now inside settings, select privacy and security by scrolling down and then tapping on the option. Then select app privacy report by scrolling down and you'll find it under transfer receipt and logs. Simply tap on that. Now turn it on immediately. You will find the page empty with no reports, but leave it for a whole day and come back later and you will be surprised by what you see, and that's where the video really starts. You'll find 4 sections in front of you. Each one shows something you won't find in any other setting. 1. Data and sensor access. This section tells you what each app opened and when: camera, mic, location, photos, contacts, sensors. If you see an app accessing something too often, review its permissions immediately. 2. App network activity. To app, this shows you who's using the internet in the background and who might be draining your data or slowing down your device. You will see the servers, the apps connected to the connections that happen while you're using the app, if there's any unusual or excessive activity. 3. Website network activity. This is the section related to Safari's connection. Here you will see the domains Safari connected to while browsing and the elements loaded in the background like images, scripts, and the APIs websites too. This helps you understand the browsing activity happening on your device without showing any content or pages you open. For most contacted domains, here you will see the most contacted places your device connected to throughout the day. If you find domain repeating too much, check which app is connecting to it. This helps you know which app is running most of the time. You'll be surprised once you review these sections. Check them daily, it won't take even a minute. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.